Here.
Mr. Kulak,
Here.
and Mr. Gabbett.
Here.
Mr. Allah, Board Attorney,
Here.
and Catherine Samard, Board Planner.
Here.
All right, thank you very much. At this time, I'm going to open the meeting up to members of the public that would like to speak on any land use matter that is not on our agenda this evening. Come forward. All right, seeing none, I'm going to close that portion. We have no minutes, and we have no resolutions, right, Rich?
Right.
All right, so we have 2 applications scheduled. I think we're only going to hear 1 tonight. Rich, could you take us through what's up with Rockland APV?
So Rockland APV has indicated that they had some issues that they hadn't resolved yet and wanted to resolve them before they came before the board. So they've asked that the matter be adjourned to December 9th of this year. So if the board's good with that, we can announce that.
All right, so anyone here for that case? We're going to hear that in this room, 7 p.m., December 9th, 2025. What do you want to do about notice?
It's up to the board. If the board thinks that this has been carried too long, then we can ask them to renotice.
I think there's, anyone can chime in here, but I think this should be renoticed. I think there's heavy gravity with this case, some safety issues, and I don't think there's any harm in renoticing.
Okay. So
Anyone
we will-
object to that?
Renotice.
All right.
Okay, so
Great.
we will, so for anyone in the public, this matter is going to be adjourned until December 9th, 2025. There will be a new notice issued by the applicant.
Does that also mean they have to send out the 200 feet?
They have to send their notice out to everyone on the 200-foot list and all utility companies, right?
All right, great. So that leaves 821 Hawthorne Avenue. Come forward. I think you're looking for a request for an extension of approval.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Or, yeah, evening time.
So would you, before you start, would you both raise your right hands? Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you will give to this board will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
And your names for the record, please?
My name is Jerry Ross Pierre.
And my name is Farah Kadi Pierre.
Thank you.
All right, so we heard your case in 2024. We voted on it 7-0, November 26, 2024, and that was memorialized on December 10th, 2024. So, Rich, why don't you real quick take us through what the
Sure.
applicant is seeking
So
here?
the resolution for this approval was adopted on December 10th of '24, as you indicated. We have an ordinance in town, and there's a condition that points it out in the resolution that if the improvements aren't commenced, substantially commenced within a year of adoption of the resolution, then it sunsets, right? So there are provisions where they can come in and ask for extensions of time. And from the correspondence that we received, they were indicating that they're not ready yet because they're still going through the compliance review, and you've been doing that diligently, correct?
Correct.
Yeah, so,
And nothing's changed with the property? It's still in the same condition, and you're looking to do basically what was proposed?
Yep. So essentially, we're waiting for the engineering review. We still don't have that, and that has pretty much cascaded a whole bunch of deadlines we can no longer meet. So hence why we're here today. I'm happy to walk through what we've done and what has caused us to request this variance as well.
If you want to just give a quick summary?
Yeah, sure. We were told at the offset that we should receive engineering review within 90 days. However, to this day, we still haven't received engineering review. And if we look at condition 3 on page 7, it states that if required, we have to provide grading, drainage, water storm management, and preparing that is going to take us a significant amount of time and lead time in order to get that conducted. And then if you look at condition 5, it says that if required, we may need survey. And again, that's going to take more time for us to meet with a surveyor, for them to conduct a survey.
You understand why that's important, right? We want to protect your neighbors, and we want to protect you.
I completely understand.
Okay.
However, the reason why we're requesting that is because we still haven't received the review to know what is required.
Right.
So if they come back with 1 comment or 2 comments saying that those things are required, then it would take significant amount of time for us to coordinate on our end to get it done, and our variance is set to expire in 90 days. And then initially, in June, after we received the Mr. Sarmad's review, we thought we were going to receive engineering review soon, so we went ahead and applied for financing. That has now fell through. And for us to apply again, we have to go through an entire underwriting process again, which is going to take at a minimum 60 days. We were scheduled to begin next month with our builder, and that's now fallen through because we lost financing. We have to reapply. By the time we reapply, we don't know if there's going to be any openings for our builder to start the job. It's also going to be the winter, harsh conditions to dig foundations and all of that. So, yeah, because we don't have engineering review, it has cascaded a whole bunch of other additional things, and we want to make sure that we're doing the work responsibly and reliably as we can and not rush through things. So,
Has the town indicated when they're planning to give you your engineering review?
we followed up, and nothing has been given to us at this time.
We apologize. We have many compliance reviews, probably 10 or 15 ongoing constantly, because it comes in from 2024 applications and 2025 applications. So I will speak with Mr. Burr. I will make sure that we get it moving for this one in particular.
I did speak to Mr. Burr today, and if I can just add to that, he said that he thinks very shortly that will happen. But I don't know what that means in terms of time frame. I just want to make sure that if we grant this, this work is going to be done and you're going to be able to do your thing and you don't have to come back, because this is probably not a pleasant evening for you.
No, it's not. But I mean, I understand that the town has a lot of work that they need to do, and they want to make sure they're doing everything diligently. But yeah, I mean, we've been told shortly for the last couple of months.
And it sounds like you had your planner's review in June.
We got it in May.
Oh, in May. Okay.
Sometimes Bill has more going on than I do sometimes.
Yeah, okay.
I will talk to Mr. Burr, and I will make sure that we get this moving so that they don't have to come back for another extension.
Okay. And Rich, if we grant this extension, how much time will the applicant have to?
1 year, so we would extend it.
Is it 1 year from
through-
today or 1 year from
Would be-
memorialization of this?
It would be extended 1 year from when it would have lapsed, so it would be extended till December 10th, 2026.
Like he said, most likely with the winter coming up, you're not going to get much going. So
We can't,
the
yeah.
Should start probably is April.
Right.
Right.
So you would have to have a year on top of the December to make.
And
Right.
worst case scenario, could they just come back in December 2026, God forbid, and
I
ask
hope
for
not.
another extension?
Yes, they could.
Okay. So I think we've heard plenty, and do you have any board questions?
It's fine.
Anyone else, any board questions?
So they have till December 2026 then, correct?
Yeah,
December 10, 2026.
all right. Board professionals, any questions?
None for me, no.
All right.
Mr. Chairman, I just have a quick question
Please.
for you or council. When a homeowner is faced with this kind of delay, is there any alternative that they can explore, or are they completely reliant on the capacity of our engineering department to meet their request?
I think they're really reliant on the town. They need to get through compliance so that they can get the permits issued, and then they can, I'm sure that's a condition to their loan. So they'll need to see permits issued or
Yep, and
status from the town to close on their construction loan.
that is correct. And we can't even obtain permits until we have sign off from engineering.
And just so you know, this is one of the first times we've ever seen a resident have to come back.
Okay.
So, we have sympathy for this, and it's,
Yeah.
yeah. Anyone else?
That's it.
All right. Members of the public, any questions on the extension application? All right, seeing none. Rich, real quick, why don't you just put on the record again how long this would take
So
us
again,
through?
just a 1-year extension of this approval, which would extend it through December 10, 2026.
Okay. All right. Open it up to deliberations or a motion, whatever the board feels is pertinent here.
I just move we pass it.
Okay. A second, Mr. Bongiorno. All right, so this is a vote on an application to approve the extension for 821 Hawthorne Avenue. Mr. Wiley,
And Bruce seconded it.
and Mr. Bongiorno was the second.
Mr. Whiteley,
Yes.
Mr. Sweeney, Mrs. Amin, Mr. Fresco,
Absolutely.
Mr. Bongiorno.
Yes.
Mr. Seacat,
Yes.
and Chairman Foose.
Yes. All right, that's a 7-0 approval. Good luck.
Thank
Hopefully
you.
we don't see you in December 2026.
I hope not. And one final thing, it's our understanding, well, my wife and I understand that an escrow was required for this extension, and since this is outside the locus of our control, I'm not sure if the board has authority to possibly waive that, or I'm not sure exactly how that
I don't
works.
have authority, but I would strongly hope that our board professionals do not exercise any additional escrow. Catherine, did you have any time that you needed to review this for? I can't imagine Mr. Burr needed additional time. He provided no additional testimony. However, I am not in authority position to make that, but I can't imagine that they spent much time reviewing your case. Do you know what was asked to be posted to escrow?
When our architect filled out the application, it was a $125 application fee and
Okay.
$1,500 escrow if we didn't have enough funds in our escrow account, which we did have enough funds there, but I'm not sure if those funds will then be transferred for this hearing today.
Are you going to have to write a?
So, yeah, but I'll just, I mean, it's hardly any time. So we can just, I won't say anything in the resolution, and then whatever's left over in the escrow will ultimately be returned,
Right?
right?
We'll look at this very fairly,
All
obviously,
right,
Mr.
so you have 2 of the 3 professionals saying they're not going to charge you.
Okay.
Mr. Burr's a pretty reasonable guy. I don't know if he's going to, there's no additional charges, there's nothing new to review, nothing has changed in your application.
Okay.
Other than you've asked for more time. I can't imagine that this is going to be a significant charge to your escrow. And frankly, if there is, you're welcome to come back. I open up the meeting at the top of the hour, around 7:05 each meeting. I'd like to hear if they did.
Okay.
So come back and let me know.
Sounds good. Thank
All right,
you.
good luck. Good evening to you.
Thank you. Thank you all. Have a good night.
Thank you. All right, any other board business? This is a rare occasion where we have a lot of time and no one is here. Any other board business? All right, have a motion to adjourn?
And we don't meet till October.
Yes. Our next meeting is
October 14.
October 14th, Cafe Emilia.
October 14th?
Oh, speaking of Cafe Emilia, do I need an affidavit? I'll watch the video, so do you generate that, or?
Maria, can you get Andy Fresco?
Maria has that.
Okay,
Yes, you need to sign one.
great.
There's 2 things
Great.
on that day, actually. Oh, yeah, and this residential.
Mr. Gajewski, he's not here. Mr. Kulak,
Yes.
and, oh, sorry, I printed Mr. Gabbett twice. So it's Mr. Gabbett, Mr. Kulak, Mr. Gajewski, and Mr. Fresco, who just need to sign for the next, if you already watched it and you want to sign it, I have them here. Otherwise, I'll have
great.
them for the next time.
All right, so we have 2 cases coming up October 14th. We have Wagar residential case and we have Cafe Emilia, 7 PM, this room. Motion to adjourn, please.
I move.
Mr. Wadley, Mr. Bongiorno. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
We're going
Yeah, I'll sign mine.
Yeah.
Split meeting, so, okay.
I mean, can I squeeze in the resi before Cafe Emilia? All right, cool.
And I would,
good plan.
it should be, I haven't seen that one yet, but
Yeah, it looks easy.